Hey everyone. Okay, so we just left Hoover Dam and we turned off at the Lake Mead Overlook. So wanted to bring y'all along with me for this view. Unreal. Just gorgeous. There's the mountains, there's the marina. There's the beachfront down there. I'm gonna try to go down there. See if I can catch some sun today. But there is great information here about all the visitors that come to Lake Mead to enjoy the water. Here's more information about Hoover Dam. But check this overlook view out. Great place to bring your watercraft. I see some jet skis down there. Wave runners. Okay, so here's everything you see. So out there is Saddle Island and the Boulder Islands. And then the Colville Mesa, Rock Island, Muddy Mountains straight ahead in the distance. And then in front of that is Sentinel Island. And then those are the Black Mountains. And you see the power lines that are going to Hoover Dam, which is down there in the distance. And here's all the information that shows what you can see at Lake Mead National Recreation Area. So you are here in the middle, right by Hoover Dam. But there's everything you can see in Arizona and Nevada. Just thought it was beautiful enough to bring y'all along with me, getting on video. We've got a little parking lot here, not many spaces. And this is right after you go through the security checkpoint on your way out, leaving Hoover Dam, going towards Vegas. So there is a boat going out there now. Just gorgeous. And a beautiful day to boot. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye.